Successful procurement depends on good data, structured processes and insightful analytics. Making sense of large volumes of data from multiple systems and in varying detail can be an impossible task without the right tools. Proactis software includes a suite of modules to help you streamline procurement. They are Supplier Relationship Management, Sourcing and Contract Management. In today's video we focus on Supplier Relationship Management. Practice Srm provides you with one source of correct information on suppliers. Gone are the multiple systems and spreadsheets. You have one version of the truth. And perhaps, best of all, the time-consuming maintenance of that information is pushed out to suppliers. They are, after all, the best source of information on themselves. There are two ways to log in to Proactis Srm. One, as a supplier. Two, as you, the buyer. The Buyer Portal is where you define what it is you want suppliers to provide. This is also your portal to evaluate, monitor and ensure compliance. The Supplier Portal is where suppliers respond to your request to trade with them and maintain accurate and up-to-date information on themselves. The Supplier Portal is designed to be totally self-service. It is simple to use, intuitive and requires no training. And one of the great things about Proactis Srm is that it automates much of the time-consuming process of keeping information up to date. Gaps are highlighted. Requests for updates are sent out automatically to suppliers. Forgive me, but I'm going to pause there, as this is just a short extract of a longer video that goes on to demonstrate Proactis software in action. To see that video, please register for our Proactis Source to Contract video showcase. The video showcase includes introductory demonstrations of all three Source to Contract modules. They are Supplier Relationship Management, Sourcing and Contract Management. Thank you.